This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay videos on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now and I am on the Pinterest app. To enable or disable autoplay videos, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper left hand corner, you want to tap on the profile icon again. Then you will scroll down to where it says Privacy and Data. Tap on Privacy and Data. And then you'll scroll all the way down toward the bottom. And right at the very bottom, Autoplay videos on cellular data. It's probably enabled by default, as you see mine is, but to disable autoplay videos, you would toggle that off. Then you could go down lower and it gives you another option, autoplay videos on Wi-Fi. If you wanted to toggle that one off, you could toggle that off too, or you could toggle them both on to enable it. That is how to enable or disable autoplay videos on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.